Corsica, Mediterranean holiday hotspot, and home to one of the most famous sporting events on the planet. Once a year, the peace and tranquility of this idyllic island is shattered as the world's finest drivers come to town. The iconic Tour de Corse.
Corsica, traditionally we all know it as a rally of 10,000 corners. It's so intense.
If you get everything right, then it's so enjoyable. You just dance on that road, you know, left, right, all the time.
Dancing on the tarmac, singing in the car, driver and co-driver in perfect harmony. But of course, it's about more than just the crew in the car.
7Ks to go. Right dog.
Things go wrong, parts get broken. Instant, on-site running repairs are crucial to keep everything working smoothly and maintain the challenge.
So on a normal day of a rally, you would have 3 services, 15 minutes in the morning, 40 minutes at lunchtime, and 45 minutes in the evening. So we have a fairly good plan that we try to stick to. That starts when the car comes back from the stages, goes into the media zone. At that point, the driver speaks to the media, but also has the opportunity to catch up with his engineer and his #1 mechanic. And he'll relay any information back of problems or issues or changes that he wants to make that he's noticed during his first group of stages.
It's a big team effort. While the crews are pushing things to the limits, all is calm back at base for a while.
We have roughly 15 to 20 mechanics, and we have specialists in, like I say, 3 or 4 different areas, so dampers, hydraulics, engine, electrics.
The right parts for the right fix. Logistics are key. There's no room or time for mistakes. Success depends on a professional, efficient, top-quality support service. Fortunes can and do change in an instant. One small moment, a slight twitch offline, and it's advantage the opposition. Back at service, ready, waiting, with an eye on the clock.
When we're looking after our cars here, sometimes it's not the nicest way to repair things because we're under such tight time schedules. Something we look for is the guys that can cope well under pressure, because there is no opportunity to be late. If we're late, we get a penalty. So there's only a couple of instances where we have to give up, unfortunately, and that's if you have engine failure because you're not allowed to change your engine, or if you damage the roll cage.
But for anything else, support is on hand and on time to maintain the push for victory. It's a collective effort, with all the parts coming together for a job well done.
For any kind of inspired mechanic who's at home working on their car and fancies a career in motorsport, then you know, my top tips would be to try and get involved locally and get your hands dirty, because if you have the passion, it will help you lead to finding a nice career in rally, which is not a bad one, I'm going to say.
The WRC, a true team effort with jeopardy around every corner, testing the limits of man and machine.